Hi there, my name is Paul from the city of Coquitlam. Today, we're going to be making a spring garden mocktail. The ingredients you're going to need are fresh or frozen fruit or berry, fresh herbs or flowers of your choice, ice, soda water, and a simple syrup. Today, I'll be using raspberries, mint sprigs, pansy petals, ice, simple syrup, and soda water. To start, you're going to want to make your simple syrup. To make your simple syrup, you're going to take 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Be careful with this, you don't want to burn yourself. Once it's boiled, you're going to let it cool, and you can put it into a nice little container or just set it aside until you use it in the drink. From here, you're going to take your cup and you're going to add your berries. You can add some pansy petals, some mint, and your simple syrup. You'll want about a tablespoon. From there, you'll grab something you can use to muddle all that stuff in the bottom of your cup. Once that's done, you can add your ice and your soda water. And that's how you make a fresh garden mocktail.